Considering the perspectives of various stakeholders is crucial when dealing with warranty issues related to residential wiring and device replacement. Firstly, it's important to acknowledge the customer's perspective. Customers generally expect a warranty to cover both the internal wiring and any connected devices. Therefore, replacing faulty devices without charging for labor aligns with their expectations of a comprehensive warranty. Secondly, we need to consider the contractor's perspective. Troubleshooting and repairing devices can be time-consuming, which leads to additional labor costs. Charging for the service ensures fair compensation for the contractor's time and expertise. Thirdly, it's worth examining industry standards. It is not uncommon for warranties on residential wiring to exclude labor costs for device replacement. This practice protects contractors from excessive expenses while also ensuring that customers receive the necessary repairs. Based on these perspectives, several recommendations can be made. 1. Establish clear warranty terms. Specify in the warranty document that device replacement under warranty covers only the cost of the device. It is crucial to communicate this clearly to customers to avoid misunderstandings later on. 2. Consider a hybrid approach. Charge a nominal labor fee for device replacement, such as a flat rate that covers the time required for troubleshooting and installation. This approach helps offset labor costs while still providing customers with a reasonable level of service. 3. Set expectations with customers. Before performing any warranty work, explain to the customer that only the cost of the device will be covered under the warranty. Offer troubleshooting at a reduced rate or provide guidance on how they can potentially resolve the issue themselves. 4. Evaluate warranty costs regularly. Track the frequency and cost of device replacements under warranty. If labor costs are significantly impacting profitability, consider adjusting the terms of the warranty or increasing the labor fee for device replacement. 5. Communicate with customers regularly, keeping them informed about the status of their warranty repairs. Explain any additional charges that may apply and provide options for potentially reducing costs. When establishing clear warranty terms, several factors should be considered. The warranty document should explicitly state what is covered and what is not covered, particularly regarding device replacement. Use clear and concise language to avoid ambiguity. Provide examples of what constitutes a covered repair versus a non-covered repair. Include a section addressing labor costs for device replacement. State that only the cost of the device is covered under warranty. Mention any exceptions or limitations to this policy. For example, if the device failure is due to misuse or neglect, the warranty may be void. Make the warranty document easily accessible to customers. Provide a copy at the time of sale and post it on the company's website. It is also crucial to train customer service representatives to effectively explain the warranty terms to customers and answer any questions they may have. The hybrid approach, which involves charging a nominal labor fee, requires careful consideration. Determine a fair and reasonable flat rate for device replacement. Take into account the average time required for troubleshooting and installation as well as the contractor's hourly labor rate. Be transparent with customers about the labor fee. Explain why it is necessary and how it helps to offset the contractor's costs. Offer different service options to customers. For example, they may choose to pay the full labor fee for immediate service or opt for a discounted rate if they are willing to wait longer. Consider offering a loyalty program or discount for repeat customers. This can help to build goodwill and encourage customers to choose your services again in the future. When setting expectations with customers, it's important to communicate proactively and empathetically. Before beginning any warranty work, take the time to explain the warranty terms to the customer. Be clear about what is covered and what is not covered, including the labor costs for device replacement. Answer any questions the customer may have and address any concerns they may raise. Offer troubleshooting assistance to customers. This can help them to identify the cause of the problem and potentially resolve it themselves, avoiding the need for a device replacement. Provide guidance on how to properly use and maintain their electrical devices. This can help to prevent future failures and extend the lifespan of their devices. If a device replacement is necessary, provide the customer with a written estimate that clearly outlines the cost of the device and any applicable labor fees. Obtain the customer's approval before proceeding with the replacement. Regularly evaluating warranty costs is essential for managing profitability and ensuring the sustainability of the warranty program. Track the frequency of device replacements under warranty. This will help to identify any trends or patterns that may indicate underlying issues. Track the cost of device replacements, including both the cost of the devices themselves and any associated labor costs. Compare the warranty costs to the revenue generated from new residential wiring installations. This will help to determine the overall profitability of the warranty program. Analyze the data to identify areas where costs can be reduced. For example, you may be able to negotiate better pricing with device suppliers or improve the efficiency of your troubleshooting and installation processes. Consider adjusting the terms of the warranty if necessary. If warranty costs are consistently exceeding expectations, you may need to reduce the scope of coverage or increase the labor fee for device replacement. Open communication with customers is vital for building trust and maintaining positive relationships. Keep customers informed about the status of their warranty repairs. Provide regular updates on the progress of the work and promptly address any delays or issues. Explain any additional charges that may apply and provide options for reducing costs. For example, if the customer is willing to purchase a different device model, you may be able to offer a discount on the labor fee. Provide customers with a clear and concise explanation of the warranty terms and conditions. Be transparent about any limitations or exclusions and answer any questions they may have. Solicit feedback from customers about their warranty experience. This will help you to identify areas where you can improve your service and better meet their needs. In addition to these recommendations, it is also important to consider the legal aspects of warranties. Comply with all applicable federal and state warranty laws. These laws may specify the minimum requirements for warranties, such as the length of the warranty period and the types of defects that must be covered. Consult with an attorney to ensure that your warranty document is legally compliant and protects your interests. Obtain insurance coverage to protect against potential warranty claims. This can help to mitigate the financial risks associated with providing warranties. Consider offering extended warranties to customers. This can provide them with additional peace of mind and generate additional revenue for your company. When providing a warranty on new residential wiring, it's essential to balance customer expectations with the contractor's need for fair compensation. By establishing clear warranty terms, considering a hybrid approach to labor fees, setting realistic expectations with customers, evaluating warranty costs, and communicating regularly, you can create a warranty program that is both beneficial to customers and sustainable for your business. Additionally, consider the following points when dealing with specific situations. Firstly, if a device fails due to a manufacturing defect that is clearly covered under the manufacturer's warranty, work with the manufacturer to obtain a replacement device at no cost. This will reduce your warranty costs and minimize the impact on your profitability. Secondly, if a device fails due to improper installation or wiring, take responsibility for the error and cover the cost of the replacement device and labor. This will demonstrate your commitment to quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Thirdly, if a device fails due to normal wear and tear, or factors beyond your control, such as a power surge or natural disaster, consider offering a discounted rate for the replacement device and labor. This can help to soften the blow for the customer and maintain a positive relationship. Fourthly, document all warranty work performed, including the date of service, the nature of the problem, the devices replaced, and the labor hours involved. This documentation will be valuable for tracking warranty costs and identifying any trends or patterns. Fifthly, regularly review your warranty policies and procedures to ensure that they are effective and efficient. Make adjustments as needed to reflect changing market conditions and customer expectations. Finally, remember that providing a warranty is an investment in your company's reputation and customer loyalty. By honoring your warranty obligations and providing excellent customer service, you can build a strong and sustainable business. Let's delve a little deeper into some specific areas. Firstly, setting clear expectations from the outset is paramount. When a customer purchases a new residential wiring system, it's crucial to provide them with a comprehensive warranty document that clearly outlines the terms and conditions. This document should specify exactly what is covered under the warranty, including the types of defects or malfunctions that will be repaired or replaced at no cost. It should also clearly state any exclusions or limitations, such as damage caused by misuse, negligence, or acts of God. Furthermore, the warranty document should explicitly address the issue of device replacement and labor costs. It should clearly state whether the warranty covers only the cost of the device itself, or whether it also includes the cost of labor for troubleshooting, removal, and installation. If the warranty does not cover labor costs, the document should explain this in plain language and provide examples of situations where labor charges may apply. Secondly, transparency is key. Customers appreciate honesty and upfront communication, especially when it comes to warranty issues. Be transparent about the limitations of the warranty and any potential costs that may be incurred. Explain the reasoning behind the warranty terms and answer any questions that the customer may have. Avoid using technical jargon or legalistic language that could be confusing or misleading. Use clear, concise language that is easy for the average homeowner to understand. Thirdly, flexibility and a willingness to compromise can go a long way in resolving warranty disputes. While it's important to protect your business interests, it's also important to maintain a positive relationship with your customers. If a customer has a legitimate complaint or feels that they have been treated unfairly, be willing to listen to their concerns and work towards a mutually agreeable solution. This may involve waiving labor charges in certain situations, offering a discount on a replacement device, or providing some other form of compensation. Fourthly, provide excellent customer service. The way you handle warranty claims can have a significant impact on your company's reputation. Treat every customer with respect and courtesy, even if they are upset or frustrated. Respond promptly to warranty inquiries and provide timely updates on the status of the repair. Make it easy for customers to file a warranty claim and provide clear instructions on what information is needed. Fifthly, invest in quality products and workmanship. The best way to minimize warranty claims is to use high-quality materials and components, and to ensure that all wiring and device installations are performed to the highest standards. Train your employees thoroughly and provide them with the tools and resources they need to do their job correctly. Conduct regular inspections to identify and correct any potential problems before they lead to warranty claims. Consider the legal implications of your warranty. Warranties are legally binding contracts, and you are obligated to honor the terms of the warranty. Failure to do so could result in legal action and damage to your company's reputation. Consult with an attorney to ensure that your warranty document is legally sound and complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Keep accurate records of all warranty claims. This information can be valuable for tracking warranty costs, identifying trends, and improving your products and services. Track the types of defects that are most common, the devices that are most frequently replaced, and the labor costs associated with warranty repairs. Use this information to identify areas where you can reduce warranty claims and improve your bottom line. Communicate regularly with your suppliers. If you are experiencing a high number of warranty claims related to a particular product or component, contact your supplier and discuss the issue. They may be willing to offer a discount on future purchases or to work with you to improve the quality of their products. Stay up to date on industry best practices. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and new technologies and techniques are being developed all the time. Stay informed about the latest best practices for wiring and device installation, and incorporate these practices into your work. This will help to reduce warranty claims and improve the overall quality of your services. Consider offering extended warranties to customers. Extended warranties can provide customers with additional peace of mind and generate additional revenue for your company. However, be sure to carefully consider the costs and risks associated with extended warranties before offering them. Make sure that the extended warranty is clearly written and easy to understand, and that it complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Providing a warranty on new residential wiring is a complex issue that requires careful consideration of various factors. By following these guidelines, you can develop a warranty program that is fair to both your customers and your business. In addition, it's worth noting that the specific terms of your warranty may vary depending on the local market conditions and the competitive landscape. Research what other contractors in your area are offering in terms of warranties and adjust your offerings accordingly. Consider offering a tiered warranty program with different levels of coverage and pricing. This will allow you to cater to a wider range of customers and budgets. For example, you could offer a basic warranty that covers only the cost of the device, a standard warranty that covers both the device and labor costs, and a premium warranty that includes additional benefits such as priority service and extended coverage. Be sure to clearly differentiate the different warranty levels and explain the benefits of each. Another important consideration is the process for handling warranty claims. Make it as easy as possible for customers to file a claim and provide them with clear instructions on what information is needed. Respond promptly to all warranty inquiries and keep customers informed of the status of their claim. Be courteous and professional in all your interactions with customers, even if they are upset or frustrated. Remember that a satisfied customer is your best advertisement. If you handle warranty claims effectively, you can build trust and loyalty with your customers, which will ultimately benefit your business in the long run. Finally, it's important to regularly review and update your warranty policies and procedures. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and new technologies and regulations are being introduced all the time. Make sure that your warranty policies are up to date and reflect the latest best practices. Consult with an attorney or insurance professional to ensure that your warranty is legally sound and provides adequate protection for your business. Providing a comprehensive and well-defined warranty can be a valuable marketing tool. Highlight your warranty in your advertising and marketing materials, and use it as a selling point to differentiate yourself from the competition. A strong warranty can give customers confidence in your products and services, and it can help you to close more sales.